Hello and welcome to this PRISMA tutorial. My name is Frederick from PRISMA Customer Care and I will be explaining the comfort bid functionality for long-term auctions. Comfort bids make it possible for you to tell PRISMA how to place bids for you in future auctions at a specific network point. You can create comfort bids for all auction types except within-day auctions. This is an especially useful feature for long-term auctions, as they can sometimes last several days. Comfort bid functionality lets you enter a threshold up to which surcharge you are willing to buy a specified capacity. This is called a bidding curve. Let's look into how this works in practice. Say I have an upcoming auction at a network point which I have set as one of my favorites. Now there are two options. One is to enter the maximum surcharge I'm willing to buy my capacity for. I simply navigate to the Your Bidding Curve section, enter the maximum surcharge for which I'm willing to buy that product, and the capacity amount I would like to create a bid for. Then I select my balancing group or portfolio code and press Bid. I check my enter details again and proceed by pressing Confirm Bid. In this case, the platform will bid for the desired capacity amount up to the selected surcharge. A second option is to create a bidding curve for different price steps. In this case, after I entered my first surcharge and amount, I press Add another surcharge. Here I enter another surcharge and capacity amount. This is for the case that I want to still buy capacity for a higher price than my first bidding step, but not the same amount of capacity. I check my enter details again and proceed by pressing Confirm Bid. The platform now bids for 1 million kWh per hour, up to 10 cents surcharge, and after that, for 800,000 kWh per hour, up to 15 cents surcharge. In any case, whenever a new bidding round starts and the surcharge still matches my settings, the platform will automatically bid for me in that round. At any time, you can see and change your active comfort bids in the activity section on the platform. And whenever a bid is placed for you in an auction, an email confirming the details is sent to your email address. A few things to keep in mind. Firstly, if you want to adapt your comfort bid, you can just do so in the future bid section. Please note that if the auction is already running, creating or changing a comfort bid during the currently running bidding round means that the bid will only be placed in the next bidding round. If you would like to place or change a bid for the currently running bidding round, please place your bid manually. Secondly, know how much of your credit limit has been used when setting up your comfort bid. The platform lets you create a comfort bid without checking available credit. However, bids will only be placed at the start of the auction if you have enough available credit. If you do not have enough credit, the platform does not place a bid, and you will not receive an email notification letting you know that there is not enough available credit to place one. If you have questions about credit limits, we have a separate video around this topic that may help you. I hope I could provide you with helpful information, but if you have any further questions regarding this topic, please do not hesitate to contact the PRISMA Customer Care team. My name is Frederick and I wish you a pleasant day.